we are going to study about another mission, and that is Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern region. So organic value chain development करना है basically जो organic products है, जो organic production है, that is to be encouraged in northeastern region. Why the northeastern region is chosen? Because it is kind of an undisturbed area. और अगर natural resources की बात करें, then it is quite rich in that. Also, it is unutilized to an extent. So government is planning to, you know, utilize the best resources it can from the region and develop it. Okay. So this mission is a central sector scheme which is a sub-mission under National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. We have already discussed National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. You can watch that video. And this mission of organic value chain development for Northeastern region aims at development of certified organic production in a value chain mode to link growers with consumers and to support the development of entire value chain. See, whenever we talk value chain, that means, see, the value starts from production and ends with consumption. So the whole chain from production to consumption is a value chain. So whenever we talk about a value chain mode or entire value chain, it means that we are handling from production to consumption, from the producer to the consumer. Everything, every connection in the chain needs to be handled, and that is why we are talking here that in the certified organic production which is going to take place under the mission, we need to link growers with consumers, and that is the aim of this central sector scheme. When it is told a central sector scheme, it means that it is 100% sponsored by Government of India. State does not need to invest in it. Also, this mission needs to be implemented in the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, and Sikkim. Now, when we are saying northeastern region, you may miss the state Sikkim, that it this scheme can be meant for Sikkim as well. अगर ऑप्शन में सिक्किम दे दिया तो आपको लगेगा कि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन बोल रहा है तो सिक्किम तो उसमें नहीं होगा. But you have to understand that whenever we talk about northeastern region or Himalayan states, तो बहुत सारे और states भी आ जाते हैं. And in this, where we are only talking about northeastern region, still Sikkim is also placed in this mission because it is quite close to the area and is quite connected. So एक overall अगर हम देखें तो वो पूरा area अच्छे से cover हो जाएगा if Sikkim is also included in that. Okay. And this was planned during the 12th plan period 2012 to 17, which is no longer active. But please note that UPSC keeps asking questions on still the 5-year plans. So we may feel that it has ended and like now there are no 5-year plans because Niti Aayog has come. But still we need to understand that 5-year plans are important because UPSC is asking questions on that, so you should know. Also, the 12th plan period, which was for active for 2012 to 17, it aimed for faster and sustainable and inclusive growth. So that was the aim of the 12th plan. Okay. Also, what are the mission goals? So here what the mission is aiming is that we need to create at least 1 to 2 replicable which can be like, you know, copied, I mean which can be again implemented, replicable end-to-end organic value chain models in each of the state, whichever state we talked about, northeastern states plus Sikkim, with the integration of growers, handlers, processors, and market facilitation agencies, like everyone, every stakeholder in the value chain. So we need to create 1 to 2 organic value chain models where the organic production is handled and the whole value chain, the integration of all the stakeholders in that value chain, we need to integrate them in this value chain model and create 1 to 2 organic value chain models in each of the state. Okay. Second goal is to empower 30 to 50,000 farmers of northeastern region through the creation of about 100 farmer producer companies. As we have already discussed, farmer producer companies, in these companies farmers come together sometimes to create an organization, or sometimes they are in collaboration with a private organization to market their products. So here the goal is to empower 30 to 50,000 farmers through the creation of farmer producer companies and equip such companies with full value chain under its ownership. So full value chain means every every right from production to reaching the consumer will be provided to these farmer producer companies. Also, the goal is to convert subsistence farming to commercial organic farming with end-to-end facilities. Now, subsistence farming is when you are farming only for your own consumption. There will be no marketing of your products. But what the mission is aiming, that now the farmers of northeastern region and Sikkim can convert their subsistence farming to commercial organic farming, where they can have commercial benefits as well. Till now they were only able to feed themselves, but now they can have commercial benefits as well. Okay. Fourth goal is to make northeastern states as major suppliers of organic commodities for national and international markets. So obviously the mission is targeting so much for northeastern states. They are meant to be major suppliers of organic commodities, so that these supplies can reach not only our national markets, the India's markets, but also international markets, so that they could imprint international markets with their products and we could increase our exports. Okay. Fifth mission goal is that we need to improve production system to ensure higher productivity with better profitability. Now we need to improve production system because see, it may happen that we are doing our best, but if the profits are not good, it will not be a productive system. So we need to ensure that whatever the inputs are, whatever the input cost is, we need higher productivity so that the profits are better, and then only the system can sustain itself in the longer run. Because if there are no profits, if the input output ratio is not good, then that system will not be able to sustain itself in the long run. So we need to ensure that the production system is improved so that there is higher profitability, higher productivity, and better profitability, better profits. Okay. Also, the mission goal is to enable states to evolve their own brand. Like if you know about GI tax, geographical indication tax, what happens there? There is a branding of the state, that this particular thing belongs to that state or started from that state. So it is a characteristic of that state. So this is how, this mission is also aiming that northeastern states and Sikkim will be able to create their own brand through their organic products in national and international markets. Okay, and this will help them to grow their states as well through the profits they earn. Last is, what are the mission components? So there are four components: value chain production, value chain processing, value chain marketing, and value chain support agencies. Like I've already told you that whenever we talk about any value chain model, the value chain means the value which started from production and ended with consumption. So here also you see, first the mission component is about how to improve the value chain production. So in production, what we need to do, that we need to encourage clusters development. We have already talked about clusters development in Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana as well. You can watch that. And clusters development means people will come together, farmers will come together, and then they will cooperate with each other and improve their production. If they need help or if they need any information help also, they can cooperate and improve their productivity. That is why clusters are important, because scattered information is not that good, but if people come together they can share their information and they can help each other in many ways. So that is why clusters development is promoted so much in so many schemes. And uh, also the formation of farmer producer organizations or companies, because sometimes farmers may be good at their own farming but they are not good at marketing. So that is why companies can help them to market their products well, and that is why we are focusing more on clusters development and farmer producer organizations and companies in the schemes. Okay, second component is value chain processing. So when we talk about production, we are only talking about the production of the product, but what after the product is produced, we need to process it, because see, some food materials or something, these need to be carried to longer distances, so that is also a part of processing, that how will the food be packaged, how will it be stored, and how will it be transported to different places, the post harvest thing. So that processing part is also a component under this mission, value chain processing. And in this we also notice the cold chain components, like the refrigerated transportation, where the food needs refrigeration, so the transportation vehicle should have refrigeration facilities. So all this will be covered under value chain processing. Third component is value chain marketing. So marketing, again, as I said, people can be good at their own specific job, but everybody is not good at marketing. But in marketing, it's not that even if your product is good, it may not reach the right consumer. So we need branding, good labeling, packaging, publicity, and certification. See, certification actually ensures that the consumer is relieved that the product he or she is receiving is of a good quality. That is why we are focusing so much on certification of processing units, of organic certification, because this helps to instill, to develop confidence in consumer to buy your product. So that is why marketing is also a mission component under this. Second component under value chain marketing is that consumer awareness, information dissemination. Consumer should be aware that these things are getting placed in the country. Northeastern states are producing organic products, and government is sponsoring them, and they are coming together to bring such amazing products. Consumer must be aware about this. Only then the branding and marketing will come into place, because then consumer will be excited that okay, I need these products from northeastern states, because government has been working on this. So that is why we need that the information should be like passed on to consumer, and consumer must be aware about all this. The fourth mission component is value chain support agencies. Like, see, everything is okay, like we have made components under production, processing, marketing, but we need some organizations which can look after that if the things are going in the right direction, and that is why we need support agencies. Now the mission component has also included this, that value chain support agencies will be promoted here, and we'll be setting up lead agencies like organic commodity board or organic mission, so that they can look after that whatever is happening under the scheme is going in the right direction, and if there is some improvement, then that can be brought, so that the scheme can bring more benefits to the country and to the region. So also there is a different point under support agencies, that Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare can have a mission management there, where they can validate that whatever the things are going on, and they can provide guidelines. So that is what the support agencies can help doing in this mission, and this is what the whole mission is about. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching.